In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall an app in ERPNext. Whether you're decluttering your workspace or troubleshooting a specific issue, removing an unnecessary app from your ERPNext setup is a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few steps. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can do this easily. First, you'll want to make your way over to frappycloud.com, which is the hosting service for ERPNext. It's essential that you start here because this is where your site management tools are located, and they provide the interface we'll need to initiate the uninstallation process. Once you've opened the website, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that showcases all of your sites. Each site represents an instance or a project within your ERPNext environment, and it's important to identify the site from which you want to uninstall an app. After logging in, look for your specific site on the dashboard where the app you want to uninstall is hosted. Click on its name to access the management panel for that particular site. The management panel is a hub for controlling various aspects of your site, from configurations to app installations, and most importantly for us today, app uninstallation. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Apps tab. This tab is dedicated to handling all matters related to the apps installed on your site. Here you'll find a list of all the currently installed applications, each one accompanied by a range of options for management. This is the central area from which you can oversee the various functionalities and tools integrated into your ERPNext environment. Once you have located the app that you wish to uninstall, direct your attention to the three-dot menu located right beside the app's name. This menu is the gateway to several actions you can take regarding the app. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down list of options. From this list, you'll want to select the Uninstall option. This choice signals your intention to remove the app entirely from your ERPNext site. Right after you select Uninstall, a prompt will appear asking for confirmation. This additional step is designed to prevent accidental app removal, ensuring that you are making a deliberate decision. It's crucial at this stage to double-check that you've selected the correct app for uninstallation. Once you're certain, go ahead and confirm this action. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully uninstalled an app from your ERPNext site, helping to streamline your workflow or resolve any conflicts the app may have been causing. It's as simple as that. Remember, good management of the apps in your ERP system can lead to a more efficient and user-friendly experience. Thanks for watching today's guide, and feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to manage your ERPNext applications.